Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change your Toyota Tacoma key fob battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and efficient. This simple task can be done quickly, usually in under 5 minutes, and will restore full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. This ensures proper contact. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before pressing them together. You should hear a satisfying click as the halves snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly. Your key fob should now be fully functional with its new battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.